ambiguous plan to save the river Ganga was launched in 1985 called the Ganga Action Plan. Now you can imagine that since 1985 so many years have passed and we thought about cleaning Ganga, but from so many years the river is still polluted. So what do you think is the reason for that? Because the population did not stay what it was earlier. The population increased, the industries increased. When the people increased, their consumption increased, and therefore the waste was increased also. The Ganga Action Plan aimed to reduce the pollution levels in the river. But the increasing population and industries have already damaged this mighty river beyond the repair. We talk about it, but the waste is still thrown. This Ganga Action Plan was changed and the government has now called it the Namami Gange. You must be knowing about it. The quick action of the government in the Namami Gange has found that in the recent research, which was not done by the Indian government, it was done by the wildlife the organization. It was found that the amount of oxygen in the Ganga river has increased because most of the industries which were situated near the river went on throwing the waste up to some extent into the river. Those industries have been either closed or they were told to switch to alternate sources of throwing the waste. Now they are not throwing the waste into the river, so this waste does not collect into the river, it is treated. So the pollution near the river has been controlled. The Ganga at Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh has one of the most polluted stretches of the river. Kanpur is one of the most populated towns. People are throwing their waste. You must have seen pictures. Some of you must have been near the river and you must have found that waste is still thrown. But now the pollution has been controlled up to some great extent. The water in the river has been found to become clean. In the research and in the media reports, it has been found that the fishes and the special types of dolphins who had left the river Ganga many years ago, they have come back to this because the oxygen level in the river Ganga has increased. It has reached a particular level. Therefore, the water in the river has increased and it has become slightly better. But a lot has to be done because the river is not flowing in one direction, it flows into different areas where the government cannot reach. The people who are living in those areas, they have to become more responsible and they should know that throwing of waste into the river will cause their own loss. So the Ganga Action Plan, which is now Namami Gange Action Plan, will become more effective only with the participation